She's alive, y'all. She's alive. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, how dare I? How dare I take a break? Not how dare I take a break, but how dare I take a break without telling y'all about it? Tisk, tisk, tisk. Here, I'll slap myself on the wrist for you. Bad Toni. In my defense, it wasn't like a planned break. I didn't plan to take a break and not come back in January. It just kind of happened. You know, I didn't mean it, y'all. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Y'all don't know nothing about that. I should have at least, like, you know, put a little community post, let y'all know I'm still breathing, still kicking over here, but your girl is good. I just, you know, life, if I'm being honest, well, you guys know how my last couple of years, year and a half has been. Like 2019 was a complete shit show. And although 2020 was actually a really good year for me, I was scatterbrained. Like I was everywhere between packing and cleaning and moving a very large house, between finding rental properties, both for myself to live in and a workspace to run my business out of, planning a 40th birthday event, house hunting, living and surviving a pandemic, and like learning how to operate in a pandemic and what that meant for business, and then purchasing a house and renovating a house. Like I just was not grounded. And so when 2021 rolled around, you know, I had completed my renovations. I was moved into my new home. You know, I'm still decorating, but you know, I'm settled. I even focused a bit on you guys on my YouTube channel. I completed Vlogtober and Vlogmas, forgot what it was called, and Vlogmas successfully. And then once the new year hit, I kind of looked around and I was like, oh my God, like this is what I had been working so hard during 2020 to accomplish. And I couldn't help but just take a moment to appreciate like how far I'd come and to really take advantage of this. During 2020, as much as I wanted to plan and strategize and make decisions on my business, it was hard to do those things when I didn't even know where my business was going to be based out of. And as much as I wanted to, you know, design and plan and invest in new product, it was hard to do that when I was investing so much in my home in terms of renovations. And so now that like all of that part of it is done, I was like, wow, I can really sit down and plan and strategize my year, decide what I want for myself, what I want for my business, what I want that to look like, what I want my YouTube channel to look like. So believe it or not, that's where I've been. Nothing catastrophic. I've just been working and planning and strategizing and really enjoying the comforts of my home, which I feel is well deserved. Speaking about the comforts of my home, when I'm at home, I really like to be super comfy. I like to wear clothing that is not restrictive. I like to be able to move and work and do what I need to do. So I've been wearing my loungewear from Tommy John's, which was designed for motion, like real people, real bodies in motion. It's designed not to twist and turn and bunch up and gather and all that stuff, which is great, particularly with bras, because normally I stay popping out of bras. But I've been wearing my lounge pieces from them and I've been enjoying them as if they are a second skin, to be honest. Like just super comfortable. They have a lot you can mix and match, but I do really like a matching set. Like it helps me feel a little bit more put together when I'm in the house, even though I ain't going nowhere. Right now I am wearing the Henley long sleeve tee in burgundy and my matching joggers. So whether I am enjoying some quality time to myself and just Netflix and chilling and just enjoying my space and my home, or whether I am strategizing for the year and planning or answering emails or editing a video for you guys or just hanging out with Marley, or whether I am cleaning up my kitchen, because y'all know I like to take pride in my home and keep it clean and just straightening up and getting household chores done, or whether I'm sleeping in, you know, a little me time, a little self-care Saturdays, playing games on my phone or FaceTiming bae. No matter what I'm doing, I'm comfortable doing it. If you are interested in trying out Tommy John's loungewear pieces for yourself, you can click the link in my description box. I will leave my coupon code here on the screen, and you can get % off plus free shipping on your first pack of Tommy John's. So really, you guys, I am loving on my house. Like, it feels really good. I love it here. I love it here. It's just, you know, I didn't share this with you guys here. I shared this on Instagram Live, but when I was house hunting, you know, I stopped kind of sharing my house hunt because of all the white noise, and I just wanted to do it for myself. So I stopped sharing, but when I did stop sharing, I found a house that I fell in love with. I loved it. It was just so cute. It was spacious and airy. It had like double high ceilings and all this natural light, and it had a nice kitchen, eating kitchen, that was just like big enough for, you know, I could picture me and my crew just like turning up and hanging out and having dinners in there. And y'all, it was like in my perfect ideal neighborhood, and it was like close to like my favorite bars. And y'all, I loved that house, and I put in an offer and I got outbid, and I put in a second offer and I got outbid, and I didn't want to go any higher, and I lost it, and I was devastated. Like, it was just in my head, it was my perfect house, and I was devastated because anything else would be second best. And during that time period, I found this home that I'm currently in, and I put in an offer and it was accepted. And I was very excited, obviously, because number one, it's an accomplishment for me. Number two, I was also excited. You guys know I'm really into renovating and decor, and I was really excited about what I could do with this house. But in my mind, it was still second best, you know? And my heart was always with that one. After I made an offer on this and it was accepted, that first one, my quote unquote ideal house that I lost, their offer fell through, and the real estate agent reached out to give me like a second chance or whatever. And I was like, oh, I just bought a house. Why couldn't this have happened like a day ago or a week ago or whatever? I was so upset. But now that I'm here, and now that I've completed my renovations, and now that like love is like flowing through and my personality is flowing through, and like it functions so well for me, I'm so glad I missed out on that first one. Like, this house is just actually perfect for me. And you know what? There are also certain things. Oh, by the way, guys, I will just link everything that I'm using in the description box because I'm just chatting. I'm not really even talking about the products I'm using. Okay, when you're house shopping, it's not like car shopping. Like, when you're car shopping, you can actually drive a car, you know, and like see how you feel in it, right? As opposed to just going to look at a car. With house hunting, you're just going to look at houses. You don't get to really drive the house. You know, you don't get to experience the house. You don't get to like rent the same model of house. Do you know what I mean? Like, a lot of it just comes down to luck. Like, you don't know until after you move in how creaky the floors are, or how quiet the house is at night, or how well insulated certain rooms are, or how good the water pressure is upstairs when the toilet is flushed downstairs. You know what I mean? Like, there's certain things that you don't find out until you're living in the home, or how good your neighbors are. That's something you don't find out until after you move in. And honestly, you guys, like, everything is perfect. Like, the house is quiet at night. The house is warm and cozy. The water pressure, ooh, girl, the water pressure. Whether Keisha is downstairs taking a shower while I'm upstairs taking a shower, while half is in the kitchen washing dishes, like, the water pressure, oh, the water pressure is amazing. And I love our neighbors, you guys. So, like, how did I get so lucky? I don't know. I'm so grateful to be here. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little house update. Speaking of shower, I actually just got out the shower, and taking a shower here is like one of my favorite things to do. when I was at the Airbnb, I hated taking a shower there because as beautiful and like vintagey and like hipsterish as the bathroom was, that shower was not, first of all, it was not black girl friendly, okay? Because like rain shower's cute, but like I don't want to wash my hair every day, like, you know what I mean? So the crick in the neck is real. Second of all, it was like wrapped. It was a beautiful clawfoot tub which looked amazing with the curtains open, but when the curtains were closed, oh my god. Oh my god, don't touch me, don't touch me. Pause that thought. Look, I'm using my glow kit which I got for Christmas from Keisha. Thanks, Keisha. This is my first time using it. I'm super excited. I swatched it, but I haven't used it yet. Anyways, you guys, all that to say, 2 things I'm going to link below that will change your shower life. Like, you're gonna love me for it, okay? Number 1, if you do not have or want a glass shower door, invest in a curved shower rod. You can find them on Amazon. I will link it down below. Listen, a curved shower rod gives you so much more space. Like, I dance in the shower now. Like, I wind up myself and the shower curtain is nowhere near me. And it's a great experience. Number 1. Number 2, hang a sprig of eucalyptus in your shower. You can hang fresh or you can hang dried. They both release fragrance. So it's like a great aromatherapy session. Ooh. Are you dumb? That's beautiful. A good shower in the morning changes the course of your day. So yeah, you can find both those things on Amazon, you guys. It will change your whole day. I'm gonna link them down below. But yeah, I've missed you guys very much and I'm super, super glad to be back. I will not leave you hanging again like that. Well, I'll try not to. No promises in the future. I don't know if I have much to update you on. I have been vlogging, so the next few videos rolling out will be vlogs. You can sort of see what I've been up to. Oh, in terms of, I've gotten a couple questions in terms of the staging opportunity that I had. Still getting my feet wet and still trying to learn as much about the whole industry as possible because I'm very new to this. But I will say that it's so interesting to be a part of a team again because you guys know I've been working for myself, running my own business for the last, I want to say 6 years full-time, 5 or 6 years full-time. So to be part of a team again it's such an interesting experience. Like, I have a little group chat on my phone and it's like a group of all black real estate professionals. So yeah, if you guys are in the market, I'm not a real estate agent, but if you guys are in the market or thinking about getting into the market, either buying or selling coming up, then, you know, email me, DM me, and I will hook you up with my team because they're A1. And who knows, maybe I might end up staging your house. Cute, right? Cute. But yeah, that was definitely an unexpected opportunity that I'm very grateful for. I am not one to get like my hopes up or anything. I'm just taking it as it comes. If something comes of it, great. If not, I'm still happy to have had this experience. I do want to say thank you to everybody who reached out to me to check in on me. I really appreciate that, you know, and it's very heartwarming to know that I'm on your guys' mind, even when you don't see me here. I do have other social media, so if you do have other social media as well, you can still, you know, keep up with me outside YouTube. I'm on Twitter at Toni Daley, although I'm not really an avid tweeter, but I love Twitter. It's like my favorite app to just scroll at night. I'm on Snapchat. Barely use Snapchat, but I'm there. Every once in a while I'll post. I'm on Instagram, of course. My Instagram is Toni Daley Official. I also have a decor page for Instagram, which is daily.decor. I also have a support a sister page for Instagram, which is support_a_sister. And my dogter, Marley, also has an Instagram, which is Marley Daley Official. So I try to keep up with all of those pages. What else do I have? I have a Facebook page, which is Toni Daley. I think that's it. I don't have TikTok. Not on Clubhouse. I think that's it. Yeah. Believe it or not, I'm still wearing these braids that were done December 7th by Hair by Half, who is a mobile braider. You guys can hit her up at Hair by Half on Instagram or hairbyhalf@gmail.com. Over 6 weeks I've been wearing these, you guys. I did so good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be taking them out though. It's definitely one of my new favorite styles is the braided bob. I'll definitely revisit this again. I think I'm gonna do this again in the summer in blonde. But can I show you guys what else I've learned during my little hiatus? Okay, ready? I can't believe I learned how to do this, you guys. It just, one day it just came to me. Like I was watching Prime. It just came to me. Yeah, it just came to me. And I was like sitting there watching, I don't know what I was watching, Love Island. And all of a sudden I was like, in my brain, just something snapped in my brain and I was like, oh, wait a minute. Like I could never do it before, and all of a sudden my brain was like, just randomly, like, wait a minute. All of a sudden it made sense. Y'all, what are you talking about? I'm part of the Black Girl Club now. The Black Girls That Can Braid Club. Relax. What are you even talking about? I know, and now I'm even more excited to take these out because now I'm gonna be able to practice on like my loose hair, because obviously braiding on these is much more easy. So hold on, it's harder for me to do this side. Concentrate on what I'm saying. People are dying, children are crying. Concentrate. Crack an egg on your back and let the yolk run down. Do you guys remember that from the playground? Am I aging myself? I don't know. Just add a pair of Toni Daley earrings, okay, because you know for 2021 where the money resides is where we be, okay? Where the money resides, where the money resides, where the money resides. Say hi, Marley. That's it, guys. I'm glad to be back. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.